wait for this, man.
Catch and pass! Woo! I'm off. I
I'm a stud. I'm ballsy. I don't take no shit from anyone. I smoke my stogie anywhere I want. I don't have to find a hideout place like you.
I don't hide. I don't hide behind people's cars, and I don't. If I say I'm coming, I'm coming, and there's no other way about it.
Say that again, I liked it.
I'm the bad guy.
Say that again, I liked it.
So, gentlemen, I told you, if you want a good life, go buy a fucking car. Go buy and not just a car, buy a good car. Sell the shamba, buy the car. Trust me on this one. And then shut the fuck up. You don't have to say anything for the rest of your life.